What defines passion? What defines speed? What defines a machine crafted not just for driving, but for pure, unadulterated exhilaration? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of a legend, a beast that screams Italian luxury and performance from every sculpted angle. Get ready, because we're talking about the Lamborghini Huracán. Just look at it. The Huracán isn't just a car, it's a statement. Born from the legacy of the Gallardo, its design is an aerodynamic masterpiece, a fighter jet for the road. Those razor-sharp lines, the impossibly low stance, the signature Y-shaped LED daytime running lights, they all converge to create a presence that demands attention. Whether it's sitting still or tearing down the asphalt, the Huracán stares you down, daring you to take the wheel. It's aggressive, it's beautiful, and it's unmistakably Lamborghini. But the true magic, the very soul of this machine, lies just behind the cockpit. We're talking about the naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine. In an era where turbos dominate, Lamborghini holds firm, delivering an auditory experience that is simply unparalleled. Depending on the variant, from the original LP610-4 to the insane STO, this V10 churns out anywhere from 572 to a breathtaking 631 horsepower. And the sound? Oh, the sound! It's a symphony of mechanical aggression, a primal scream as you push it to its red line. This isn't just an engine. It's a living, breathing, roaring testament to automotive passion. So, what does all that power translate to? Brace yourselves. The Huracán can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Some variants, like the Performante or STO, can do it in as little as 2.8 seconds. Top speed? We're talking well over 200 miles per hour, or 325 kilometers per hour. This car doesn't just accelerate. It redefines your perception of speed, blurring the world around you. But it's not just about straight-line speed. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, precise steering, magnetic ride suspension, and optional carbon ceramic brakes, the Huracán is an absolute weapon in the corners. It's designed to deliver an incredibly engaging and confidence-inspiring driving experience, whether you're on a winding road or a racetrack. Step inside, and you're not just in a car. You're in the cockpit of a fighter jet. Everything is driver-focused, from the configurable digital instrument cluster to the iconic toggle switches on the center console, guarded by that signature red cover for the start button. It's a tactile and visual feast. The materials are exquisite. Fine leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, all meticulously crafted. Lamborghini also packs in impressive technology, including a responsive infotainment system and various driving modes accessed via the ANIMA selector on the steering wheel, allowing you to tailor the car's personality from Strada to Sport to Corsa. It's a blend of raw performance and surprising luxury. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Lamborghini Huracán is not just a car. It's an investment in emotion, a ticket to an exclusive club. While prices vary wildly, a brand-new Huracán typically starts in the region of $210,000 to over $330,000 US for models like the Tecnica or Sterato. The more track-focused variants like the STO push even higher. This isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about the experience, the status, and the sheer joy of owning a piece of automotive art. The Lamborghini Huracán is more than a supercar. It's an icon, a thrilling testament to what happens when engineering prowess meets unbridled passion. It's loud, it's fast, and it delivers an experience that will etch itself into your memory forever. What do you think of the Huracán? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.